Digestive enzymes speed up digestion by breaking large particles of food into smaller ones through chemical reactions. Normally functioning glands in the stomach, mouth, small intestine, pancreas, and gallbladder produce these enzymes. However, if the glands are not functioning well, enzyme production slows down. The key is to consume digestive enzyme supplements, which offer many benefits, including 1. Improving nutrient absorption. Digestive enzyme supplements enhance the absorption of nutrients, thus preventing any deficiency. When you have the right enzymes and their correct numbers in your body, you can get more out of the foods you eat. The body uses all those vegetables, proteins, and fruits you eat better. 2. Clearer skin. If you do not get enough nutrients or are experiencing inflammation inside of your body, this can affect your skin. For instance, fatty acids are a significant component of healthy skin, and they will come from food. Digestive enzyme supplements can help you get enough fatty acids, and this will make your skin look brighter. 3. Prevention of a leaky gut. The small cells along the lining of the intestines absorb nutrients in your food. If your body does not digest food properly, the larger undigested modules can push and break through the cell walls. This, in turn, can trigger your immune system to fight the invaders. This can lead to inflammation in the lining of your intestines and other parts of your body. 4. Reducing irritable bowel syndrome or IBS symptoms. The other common repercussion of food not being digested properly is that the bacteria in the gut feed on it. The bacteria become overfed and overgrown, which leads to gas, bloating, cramps, and diarrhea, among other IBS symptoms. 5. Preventing autoimmune disease. Issues like leaky gut syndrome can trigger autoimmune responses in the body, and this can lead to more severe problems. There are different opinions on whether autoimmune disorders are curable. However, the fact is that it is possible to attribute conditions such as celiac disease to poor digestion. Digestive enzyme supplements can ensure that the body has the tools to absorb nutrients properly and reduce the risk of inflammation. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weight-loss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.